¿Cómo estás para entrar? ¿Estás para entrar? Sí. ¿Estás preparado para enchufarla?
Vamos al aro, te ponen un tapón, te lo ponen, no pasa nada, ¿vale? Mejor eso que buscar el pase en el último momento.
We don't get into the paint, we don't create danger, and they don't play defense. They are resting and they come in here, okay, with energy. So force them to play deep, step into the paint.
We can beef up and lose by 30, or we're going to keep playing till the end. Forget the scoreboard. Long time yet. We have to play a good defense. No stupid fouls. Ready to switch. Protect the hoop. Force them to shoot threes. Rebound and go. Let's go.
How is through defense that we talk? Through.
Turnover.
Go here. Pop, backdoor, handoff, attack, hostia.
Tengo mucha paciencia, ¿sí? Patandrium no defense, Andrés no defense, Yannick no defense. Pero yo tengo paciencia. Movem la pilota, tira. Ya apuntando.
And now what happened with our energy? Use the foul. But nobody beating rebound. Nobody beating situation 3 alone.